Welcome to Expert Website Design. If you want a successful business, you need a website, because now everything is done through the internet. People can chat, check emails, and find information with their computer or cell phone. Internet is also good for business because we can sell or buy anything. The internet is the modern, cost-effective way to advertise and to make your business grow. A website will make your phone ring more for business because everybody is using internet to find what they need. Have you ever used Google to find something? Of course, it's the most powerful search engine. With a website, your business can be listed on all of the search engines, and people can enter in your showroom and are able to know about your products and services and your contact information. You don't have a website yet? What are you waiting for? The internet is not going away. It's being used more every day. So make sure to have your website done with people that know how. Call Expert Website Design right away and start showing on the internet.